I'm in front of my new listing at 296 Monroe Avenue. This is such a great location. It's so quiet. So many of the homes have been updated. And my favorite is that the court winds up along Saun Park and there's great walking trails. So I'll be showing the home through the weekend. And I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of the first floor. So come on in. So there's great vestibule area here. And this home has been so well maintained. You have a nice sized living room. We're on the sunny side of the street here, so lots of light. And wow, the House Hunters, one of them, House Hunters moments for me, is this great family room addition. The ceilings are vaulted with beams. So opens up into the dining room here. You have sliders out to the really fabulous yard. You'll have to check the pictures and the drones. A deck to a patio. Have a nice sized kitchen here. It's immaculate, very functional. Love this window. You can really see the yard. It's so private. Spacious and room for a table. So upstairs there are 4 bedrooms, an expanded family bath. The primary has room for a king. In the basement, it's finished with a full bath. Really so much potential here. Lots of buyers are going to be attracted to this home because you could easily move in and paint and update room by room, or you could do a moderate addition, or really just build your dream home because the neighborhood definitely supports that. I'll be showing the home strictly by appointment through the weekend. Give me a call or have your realtor call me, and I'm looking forward to seeing you.